In this video class, I'm going to show you how to solve for the BMI of the following students. I ask you to list down 5 family members or including yourself in that 5 list of family members. Okay? So I have here Ambi, Daiham, Diran, Dimasway, og Lucky Luis, Laurente. Okay? After you list down the 5 names, and then we have the gender. Alright? Pag lalaki, of course, male. Pag babae, female. Sa age, write the age. And then, the height. The height must be in meters class. And then, the weight. The weight must be in kilograms. Now, you try to create a column for your BMI. So, write there, BMI. And then, we'll find out later kung unsang status. Butang diha, status. Alright? Sige. First, let's find the BMI of Ivan Ray Ambig. Go to the cell of the BMI of Ivan Ray. You click the cell and then you press equal sign. After you press equal sign class, you press the weight of Ivan Ray, which is located at F2, cell F2. Divide, divide the height of Ivan Ray, which is located at cell E2. And then you have to square this to square the height of Ivan Ray. All you have to do is to shift and then press this arrow up and then press 2. And then after you formulate the formula class, you press enter. Again, equals the weight divide the squared of the height. Press enter. So in case class, wala siya naka 2 decimal places, all you have to do is right click. Pag mahuman ka right click class, makita na mo format cell sa ubos. And then number, go to number and decimal places too. Click OK. Okay. How about ang mga BMI ni Mike Green, Melchor, John Rex, ug Lucky Luis? Para itong masolve, automatically go to the lower right corner, makita nimo ang plus nga symbol, no? Kanang dark nga plus. You have to hold and then you have to drag down. Para automatically masolve na nato ang ilang mga BMI. No need to input one by one sa ilang mga formula. Na sir, what about ang status? How to determine if kuan ba, underweight ba, normal, overweight, and obese? Doon na naman tayo formula and ma-determine naman siya but gusto nato automatic. No? Go to the ribbon and then go to the tab na ay tab diha nga formula for formulas, no? So, ato din kag logical. Since kinatay upat ka conditions class, gamito nato ang ifs with S, no? So press ifs. Now, ah, pag ma-press na ang katong ifs, mag-start na tag-input sa atong mga kondisyon. Okay? If ang atong BMI, you press the BMI class of Ambit Ivan Ray, which is located at G2, if ang ato ang BMI is less than or equal to 18.4. So less than or equal man ako, no? So go to your keyboard, pangita ang less than. So shift less than or equal to. Then you type 18.4. 18.4. Okay? After na ma-determine ang ato ang condition, ibutang na nato ang value which is underweight. Butang nimo sa ubos, underweight. Okay. So man ana, dito na punta sa third nga kondisyon. Okay, dira ta sa logical test 2. If ang ato ang BMI, press BMI, cell G2 is less than, same ra gihapon nga process, no? So, shift less than or equal to. Okay, balik ko na to kay wala na press. Shift less than or equal to 24.9. Okay, 24.9. If that is less than or equal to 24.9, then our value is normal. So, ibutang sa ubos, normal. Okay? Sige. Third nga, logical test. Okay? Atong third nga condition is atong BMI is less than or equal to 39.9. So same nga process, shift less than or equal to 39.9, 39.9. So pagkahuman na wala na kayo makita ang ma-input sa ubos. You try to click this arrow down para ato pang makita kung saan naa sa ubos. Okay? So nara ang value, makita na nato. So sulat na to overweight. Alright? So that is overweight. Napatay fourth nga condition class. Okay, atong fourth nga condition kay if ang ato ang BMI is greater than or equal to 40. So ibutang nimo tong cell nga G2. So shift greater than na punta or equal to 40. 40 or 40.0 parihara. Now what is our value if ang atong BMI is greater than or equal to 40 or 40.0? That is obese. So butang na to obese. Right there, obese. Now pag makompleto na nato ang upat ka conditions, okay, balikan nato ang dito sa underweight sa taas, normal, overweight, and obese. Pag makompleto na, then we press OK. So ato nang na-determine nga ang status ni Ambid Ivan Ray is underweight. No? Kulang siya sa timbang. Now how about for the status of Micrin, Melchor, John Rex, and Lucky? All you have to do is to go to the cell sa iyang status and to the lower right corner kanang plus nga itom. You hold and then you drag para ato pong ma-determine ang status sa ilang upat. Okay? So normal, 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 and overweight. So that's how you determine the BMI and the status of these following students.